Another beautiful evening. But you know what would make it perfect? A piping hot pizza! Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. Huh? Wow! Pizza delivery has gotten really high-tech.
Grandmother could land a ship better than you, and she's blind in one eye.
Grandmother only has one eye.
Precisely.
Don't mean to interrupt, fellas, but do you two have my pizza?
Pizza? We're aliens from a distant galaxy. My name is Globnorb, the third.
And I'm Todd. We've been sent on a mission to bring a typical Earthling back to our planet for study.
Would you care to volunteer?
Will there be pizza?
No, but there will be experimentation.
And probing.
And maybe a little dissection.
Thanks for the offer, but I just remembered how much I like keeping my anatomy intact. Maybe another time.
Stop, potential Earthlings! That's an idea! Snatch!
Oops, maybe I should have yelled timber! Boy, oh boy, yum diggity! The old holographic pizza trick. Ooh, poison! They got me!
How can anyone be poisoned by a hologram?
I suspect foul play.
Me too!
Double set!
I wonder what the other settings do. I'm gonna leave, but you guys are welcome to stay and chillax.
That Earthling is going to learn that two heads are better than one, even if one of them is an idiot.
I can hear you, you know. We share a body.
Don't remind me.
Pepperoni. What? Huh? Whoa! Yikes! Every kid's gonna want one of those for Christmas.
There it is.
Initiate capture!
This is gonna be fun. Whoa! Yoo-hoo! Over here, Tin Man! Look what you did.
We broke the fourth wall. It was an accident.
We're insured.
I certainly hope so. Sorry about that, folks. Now, where were we? Oh, yeah. Come on, you rust bucket. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Yo, over here, you bag of bolts.
That's it! No more Mr. Nice Alien! Got him!
Is that the best you got? If you want, I could paint a target on me. A little privacy, please.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Please excuse us. Hey.
Wait a minute.
Huh?
Where'd he go?
Hey, fellas, up here. Heads up.
seriously?
Is that the best he can do?
I hope you saved the receipt on that thing.
We surrender!
And if I ever catch you guys in my neighborhood again, I'll peck you so full of holes, you'll double as lawn sprinklers.
Let's get out of here!
For once, I agree with you. That Earthling is a lunatic!
Lunatic? I'll take that as a compliment. Hello? I'd like to order a pizza to be delivered, please. On second thought, I'll come pick it up.